Hi friends, Namaste and good morning from Richardsons Face Hospital. Today we have with us Dr. Kavya. So she's an Ayurvedic specialist. Ayurveda is a science of medicine that is related to Indian ancient practices right from Vedas. Most of you would know about its effectiveness in various treatments on the human body. Now she's here because we're starting a new branch, a wing of our hospital here, and she's going to take care of that, and that's going to be the Ayurveda. Right, so a quick thing about her. So she's done a master's from Karnataka in Bangalore, not very far. She's also done her undergraduation in Ayurveda. And she has, of course, her core specialties and different things. I'm going to get to that a little while. We are basically going to let you know in the next few minutes what are all the various aspects of this Ayurveda that can benefit patients and people who have different issues. So, welcome, Dr. Kavya.
Thank you, sir.
And I want to know, because most people want to look young, they want to have good skin. And I personally have taken Ayurveda several times during my last 2 decades especially. And I do know that you have a lot of good preparations, solutions, treatments for various skin conditions. So could you tell us a little bit about how Ayurveda is having a very unique, beautiful role that can benefit patients?
Ayurveda, as the word says, Ayurveda, it is a science of life. So it teaches how one has to lead the healthy life. And it is a traditional system of medicines which has developed 1,000 years ago. So in Ayurveda, the main aim of Ayurveda is for the prevention of the disease and how one has to stay healthy. So there are various regimens which are mentioned. So when it comes to the skin and hair, we in Ayurveda has a variety of treatments mentioned for skin and hair. So there are various patients we come across for that. It may be premature graying of hairs, hair fall, or alopecia areata. There are lots of people even at the younger age who comes with the baldness or the alopecia areata. So we have different treatments which are mentioned, like we use different kinds of oils which are of pure herbal extracts. And we have even the lepum is mentioned. Lepum is the herbal medicated paste for which we apply for the very good growth of the hairs. And it may be even used for the dandruff as well. And for the there is a mentioning of Rakta Mokshana, and Prachana Karma has also mentioned for the alopecia areata.
Many people say, I've heard from many senior Ayurvedic doctors and others, that there are very little side effects or no side effects of this medication, right? The allopathy medicine, even though we have so many of them, a lot of them have side effects. You can tell us something about why there aren't so many side effects, or are there actually some side effects also?
It's like in Ayurveda, we treat the root cause of the disease and not just the disease or the symptoms of the disease.
Okay.
So once we treat the root cause of the disease, the disease doesn't reoccur again. So this is what the main
And because you're causing only the root
cause,
so it doesn't cause complications.
Yes.
Okay, another thing which I wanted to ask you was, with regards to joint pains.
Yes.
I know you've already treated few of our patients who had very atypical facial pains or joint pains, the temporomandibular joint, and that time you told us that most or a lot of joint pains in the human body can be treated pretty successfully with Ayurvedic treatment. Would you want to tell our audience about how Ayurveda helps in various kinds of joint pains and joint issues?
There are the joint pain may be due to the various reasons. It may be due to osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, or different causes. It may be sciatica or any other reasons. So in Ayurveda, we have a very good treatment for the joints pain. It may be even the temporomandibular joint pain and any sorts of joints pain. We have the Abhyanga, we do what we tell the massage or the oil massage, where we use the oils which are prepared from the herbal extracts. So whenever we use this massage or the abhyanga, what we tell, for a particular duration of time, so this oil gets absorbed through the skin, and it enters into the circulation, and thereby it reaches even to the deepest of the cells. As it is a oil is lipids, these are made up of lipids, as even cell membranes are made up of phospholipids. So it gets absorbed easily, and even the action is seen at the cellular level also. So by this way, the abhyanga acts very well. So it carries all the active principles of the drugs even to the cellular level, and helps us to cure the disease. And along with that, we do even Svedana is done. That is nothing but the steam therapy, what we do after the abhyanga. And there are basti, different kinds of basti, particularly at that local bastis. If the person has joint pain, we do Janu basti, where for a particular duration of time, the oil is poured over the joint and lived for a certain duration of time, and then we will remove the oil. So by this way, it helps us to the joint stiffness will be reduced. It helps us to lubrication of the joints, so that the person's joints pain
Can be
can be reduced.
awesome. I really liked your explanation, doc. So people can understand that there's a lot of scientific basis to your treatment as well. It's not just some alternative medicine. You heard her very clearly explain how even these oils work. I personally use them, like I said before, and it's worked very, very well. So I think overall, to have you with us while we take care of patients with various issues on their face, with our ENT, dermat and everything, it's going to really add value to our patients, because now they also can choose, and sometimes Ayurveda is better, especially for autoimmune diseases, right?
Yes.
For lichen planus and
Right.
everything. So yeah, there's a whole lot of thing, guys. And then I think this is really, I'm very excited that we're going to start this out here. And I think a lot of people will benefit from the services that she's going to have it at Richardsons. I do follow this space, because we're going to try and give you more smaller material of information, more information regarding different aspects of this Ayurveda treatment. And also you can contact us on the numbers that we're going to give below. We can even do a video consultation with her. You can get in touch with that team. And thank you, doctor.
Thank you.
And welcome again.